This is me when I actually have to socialize with real people. We name our pets, and cats sometimes give name to us. Luna the fluffy puffy always calls her mom like this. Lilith is a human trainer. Here she explains to her student how to pet the cat properly. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it brightened your day a little bit. Let me know down in the comment section which clip was your favorite. I also love to read stories about your cats. You guys are amazing. Take care of yourself and your little fur babies. See you soon. Bye.
Get up here. Let's go. It's bedtime. It's bedtime. It is bedtime. It is bedtime. You're sassy. You're really sassy.
Be nice. I hear you. I hear you. And that's not my problem. It's not about to be my problem either. No, don't talk over me. Not cool, Gerb. No.
Come here. Come here. You mad at me? Fifi. Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Come here.
Hey, Stinky. I'm about to get in bed. I'm coming. Okay. Can I take my shoes off? Is that fine with you? Huh? You making biscuits? Yeah? No. No! No. Sure, I'll pet you. But no treats.
Raising a cat home means you have no private space at all.
Abre, tú puedes, mi amor, abre. Sí, tú puedes. Sí, amor.
Pacho, there's no more tuna. It's finished, she ate the whole tin.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.
I really don't have any. Tuna's gone.
Are you gonna be a good boy?
Oh my God.
I love you.
When you have a good child, everything in life becomes much easier.
Okay.
Say I love you.
I love you. Oh.
He loves you so much.
Mia, stop screaming. No, it's inappropriate. It's inappropriate at this point. It's just been 30 minutes of yapping for no reason. You've been fed, you've gotten pets, you've gotten kisses.
Well, how you want to do this? We gonna keep... Don't cut me off. You always trying to get the last word. I noticed that about you. Yes, you do. You're doing it now. Okay, you think because you do it longer, that's gonna make me be quiet?
I have to get up. I do. Yeah, and you got me up all night. You did. Doing this. Trying to get into my skin, because I wouldn't let you sleep like this.
What's up? What you want? Huh? What? You want me to go over there? Huh? You want me to go? Okay, let me go. Okay. Okay.
Lizzie. Bean. Beanie. Lizzie. You want to sing? If you're happy and you know it's a meow. If you're happy and you know it's a meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it's a meow.
What do you want from me? Luna. What? Why do you keep meowing? What do you want? You have your food. What do you want, Luna? You want your snacks? I'll give you your snacks when I'm done. You okay? Give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Learning to speak cat, folks, so we can comfort our cats when they're feeling down.
Say meow. Meow.
You don't smell like warm kitty. You smell like stinky.
Uh-huh. Yeah? Hey.
Listen, Minnie, I got you some stairs. You don't use them. Why not? They're really soft.
Trust me, Cat's huge ego would never allow anything to help it.
Your arthritis. All right.
Put your hand out in front of your child to see what they do.
Love you how I do.
This cat's not letting me Facebook. Here. Cat, you gotta stop it. I wanna watch this stuff. Cat, no. We gotta go the other way.
This is some great piece of cinematography. I hope you enjoyed this portion of Talking Cats. We have prepared some songs featuring the most famous cats, and they are coming out soon on YouTube. I hope you will like them. Take care, see you soon.